Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Bit of an unusual one today. I don't often do a watch strap sort of review, but this will be one. So I've done one of these in the past, but I thought I'd do it anyway, just as I got this watch strap in. So I was after a particular type of watch strap. I was looking for a Sharkmesh watch strap. If you know what a Sharkmesh is, very similar to Milanese, but a slightly different pattern. And I came across this one. Now, the reason I got this particular watch strap is I got this watch in. This is the Aragon, no, not the Aragon Palmer, the Aragon Caprice 8040. And it's a really big watch, 48mm. I love it. It's on a rubber strap. And I had a few issues with a little rubber strap. They're not really for me, rubber straps. And I really wanted the Sharkmesh strap that Aragon do. However, that's quite expensive to get hold of, particularly shipping it to the UK. So I'm going to wait till I order my next Aragon watch and I'll order one with that. So I was looking for one to fit on this watch. Now this is a 24mm lug width. Well, I'll put a link to the unboxing for this just up in the corner. And I came across this particular strap on Amazon. I'm not quite sure how you say this. The Mexiao. Now, it's a smartwatch strap, apparently, but it says it's a Sharkmesh. Now, it's not quite what you would expect for a Sharkmesh watch strap, but I thought I'd show you anyway. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. For anybody that's looking at this particular strap, I'll put a link in the description as well. It was quite cheap, actually. I think it was about £16. What's that, $20? And I just thought, oh, this is quite nice. So, oh, there we go. Nice little kit. Let me get rid of the box. Okay, so, oh, come on, into focus. Nice link removal tool. That might come in useful. Yeah. Spring bar tool as well. Nice little kit. This is for the price. And then the strap itself. Oh, try and get it out. Peeling myself in the eye with the elastic. Here, oh, it's quite weighty actually. I suppose it would be. Fold over clasp. 24mm. Now you can kind of see the Sharkmesh in the middle, but then it's got a sort of more sort of regular edge either side. And as I say, it's a 24mm. Oh, quick release spring bars as well, winner. Actually, that's really good for the price. Really, really good kit for the price. Right, not a lot to say really about the watch strap itself. I suppose you want to see it on the actual watch. Let me just take it out of the packet. Oh, stuck in. Oh, I've ripped the packet. Oh, I've done a good job there. Oh, and we're still. Well, that's come through the clasp. Oh, I'm having a mare. And there we go. And it's still wrapped in plastic as well. Do you know what? They've done a really good job with the packaging on this, considering this is one of the cheaper sort of straps. Got your arrows there for removing the links. Yeah, they've done a really nice job of this. Let's just peel all this off. Okay. Right, okay. Well, I'm going to need to strip all this off. Now, that might take me 10 seconds or 20 minutes. So, again, still not put a pair of scissors on my desk. I keep saying I'm going to do it. I still haven't done it when I do these. Anything with any wrapping on. It's nice that it's got the quick release spring bars. I did get hold of some 24mm spring bars because I didn't realise it came with them. So that's a bit of a win that's got them anyway. As I say, I'll put a link to this particular strap in the description. Now, that you can pay a lot of money for these. I think an Aragon actual official strap is about $40. And like I say, I will get one. The difference with that is it's the Sharkmesh sort of pattern all the way across, so it is a slightly different strap. As I say, now I've got an 8-inch wrist, so I'm going to pop this on. Well, I've got 3 holes of micro adjust as well, but I'm going to leave it on its largest one to begin with, and pop it onto this watch. Now I'm going to bore you with me struggling to do that. Oh, wrong way around. So I will put that on. What have I got on today? Oh yes, I've been away, so I've been using my Timex Indiglo Expedition. Again, I'll put a link to that review up in the corner. Right, let's see what this looks like with this on. Right, well, you'll be pleased I didn't film that and put you all through that, because that took me much longer than I thought it was, mainly down to my clumsiness. But I got the Aragon strap off, which came off really quite easily. What I did find was the little tool that was in the kit, the little spring bar removal tool, the head on it is really quite small and struggle to get on the spring bar, but I did do it in the end. And I got the watch on after shooting one of the spring bars across the office. So I'm glad they gave us a couple of spares. And this is what it looks like. Now, as I say, I'm going to get the official Aragon Sharkmesh for this watch, but I'll do that next time I order an Aragon watch. I will add that onto the order. Now, heavy watch, 48mm. This is a lot of chunk. Now, I've not tried this on yet. I'm just going to do this because I may have to remove a link yet or use the micro adjust. So let's try it on. Okay, so, oh, it feels quite loose. Yeah, it's going to need some adjusting, that is. So yeah, you can probably just catch that hanging off. I'm going to take a link out on that, I think, quite easily. So it's long, and I've got an 8-inch wrist. Now this is going to be a big watch. This is going to be a very big watch and very heavy watch. Right, let me take that link out and we'll try and see what that looks like. Okay, so I did manage to get the link out, as we can see. And you can see all these pieces here are articulated. Oh, sorry, if I bring it up a bit closer might help. Yeah, they're all articulated. So when I was lining it back up with the new link, once I took it out, did just take a little bit of lining up to get the pin to go all the way through those pieces there. So just bear that in mind. It is a little fiddly, if we can get the camera into focus, to get the pin to go all the way through that piece once it's on. But I did it. Now what I also did was I moved it in one on the micro adjust as well, because actually it was still slightly loose. But there you go, that's what it looks like, and I'm really pleased with it. Now this is a heavy watch, and obviously the watch strap itself is going to add to that weight over the rubber one, but I'm going to wear it like this for a little while. It's still a little loose. I possibly could go in another micro adjust, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I'm really pleased with that. I think the kit that comes with it, our little pin removal tool, they give you an extra couple of heads as well, so that's great, and that worked really well. So overall, a real thumbs up from me. Now, thanks to everybody who's liked and subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.